Hello rapid sale buyers, and welcome to the exquisite sale for the estate of Mrs. Helen Davenport. Lot 1 is our beautiful articulated four-wheel drive Steiner 430 25G tractor with a 5-foot front mount cutting deck on it at the present time. This is one of these unique universal type tractors that people can use on the country property. Hydrostatic power, has all of the options on it. You know, it's got the hydraulic lift on the front. It's also got the hydraulic auxiliary attachments, outlets for it, for the front mount attachments. There's also in this auction a front mount push blade for it. I know you can get a front mount broom for these units also. And the beauty of this tractor is it's got low hours on it with only 1,062 hours on it, but it's powered with a Kubota 3-cylinder gas 25 horsepower engine. As we go in under the hood to look at it, you can see the auxiliary hydraulic remotes. The hood itself flips up, the sheet metal and everything is in good shape on it. The Kubota, I think it's a 752 engine in those, which makes it the it is a MG 752 Kubota engine in it. Again, it's liquid cooled, I should say, is what I'm trying to say to you. And it's in good operating shape. So we'll just jump on it here, and I'll give it a little bit of a start, give it a try for you, and we'll see how she works. If I can figure out how to do it. Just like that. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. You've got the Kubota engine in the Steiner. As you can see, she's got the 430 25G model to it, the 5-foot deck on the front of it. It has been sitting in the shop for the last their storage shed for the last 2 years. So it probably could use a carburetor cleanup a little bit and just a minor tune-up, and you're good to go. As you can tell, she's in good operating condition, other than it needs a tune-up to get her 100% efficient. Otherwise, it's a one-owner machine and a great opportunity for somebody for a four-wheel drive articulated estate property type tractor. Enjoy your opportunity at this exquisite type of auction.